Happy Wednesday, everyone. This is Christian Nabush, licensed real estate agent and real broker, and I help families buy and sell homes here in the Gulf Coast community of Pinellas County. If that's of interest to you, please give me a call at 727-303-1521 or shoot me a DM at CD Selling St. Pete. I want to bring to your attention some of the homes that have been on the market that recently had a price reduction this week, and some of these price reductions are substantial. So first off, in Clearwater Beach, Charles Runberg Realty Inc. has listed a 4-bed, 2.5-bath, 1,700 square foot condo on the market. They've had a price reduction of $99,000 down to $1,699,000 for this unit. Latricia Studdard is a listing agent, and some of the benefits in this condo is the complex has 121 bayfront feet of waterfront. They have access to the intercoastal and they're walking distance from the beach. There's wood flooring, an open floor plan, and obviously there's a deck available if you're sailing. There's a low HOA, and there's opportunities to rent it out on a short-term basis. So this is a beauty right here. Next, Smith & Associates Real Estate has listed a 4-bed, 2.5-bath, 3,125 square foot property. Vonna Gulab is actually the listing agent, and they are in Northside here in St. Petersburg, and their price reduction has been over $175,000 down. The price is now $1,325,000, and the benefits, there's a dock, there's no HOA, it's a corner lot with a view to the canal, and also there's a 2-car garage attached. This is a wonderful opportunity, really great price reduction, and you have access across the street. There's actually a vacant lot where you can just access, the canal from. Lastly, there's a condo in North Reddington. Coastal Properties Group International has listed a 3-bed, 2-bath, 1,650 square foot property. Kristen Kuntz is actually the listing agent, and this has had an $84,000 price reduction down to $1,595,000. Like I mentioned, it's here in North Reddington. They have 80 feet of waterfront. There's an open floor plan and access to the Gulf, water access, to the Gulf or the ocean, and it has nice coastal architecture on the inside. This condo is beautiful, it's spacious on the inside, and if these properties or any others are of interest to you, please give me a call at 727-303-1521 or shoot me a DM at CD Selling St. Pete, and I can help you find a home here in the Gulf.